Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SHIB update for Friday 12th of August. Now SHIB is actually just moving sideways, continuing on with this particular pattern that it has been stuck in the last few days, or couple of days I guess. And right now, the technical target still remains to 1484, and it's healthy, completely healthy for SHIB to actually just push to the upside, come down for the retest, and that potentially could be a nice entry opportunity. Now weekends is coming in. I don't like to trade during the weekends, to be honest with you. I just don't trust the weekends at all. But for Bitcoin right now, what I'm gonna say is that SHIB on its own, I've already talked about SHIB, and it's trying to move to 1484. What I want to give you in this update is comment about Bitcoin itself. Okay, so what you're looking for Bitcoin right now is a break that happened to the upside. So this break is legit. Okay, that was actually a nice good break to the upside. There was no any bullish closing yet, which is a little bit bad, but the thing is that we're looking to come down for the retest, probably down to 23,494 or maybe 23,400, bounce off at the retest, and then you're good to go to the upside. But if you ever see Bitcoin trying to come down here and make an evening star and lose everything, just watch the Bitcoin update for a lengthy explanation on what's about to happen, because we've seen it before. We've seen before that SHIB was trying to move up and then Bitcoin pulled its leg to the downside again, right? We've seen that happening, and we don't want to see that happening again, because you have to watch Bitcoin as well. So this one can end up being red as well here, right? So today, if Bitcoin goes and it makes evening star, you're going to see SHIB coming down here to 1203 as well, making an evening star, and from there maybe start to roll down again. Okay, so you got to be really careful, but we still are holding, we're still above this neckline, so it's gonna be good at the moment. And that's it for this quick update on SHIB. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.
Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Atom Coins, and you are gonna go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.